bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
Honey can help soothe your dog's throat. Give them a teaspoon up to 3 times a day. Steam therapy works too. Bring your dog into the bathroom while you run a hot shower. Coconut oil has antiviral properties. Add a teaspoon to their food. Hydration is crucial, so ensure they drink enough water. Keep their environment clean to minimize allergens. Always consult a vet for persistent coughs.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.